Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Shomita. My today's video is another science tutorial video, and in my today's video I am going to explain you the basic structure and function of a microscope. So let's get started. A microscope is a scientific instrument that uses lenses to magnify objects too small to be seen by the naked eye. It allows scientists, doctors, and students to observe microscopic structures like cells, bacteria, and tissues in vivid details. There are commonly three types of microscopes. First one is optical or light microscope. Second one is electron microscope, and third one is scanning probe microscope. Optical microscope is the most familiar type of microscope. It uses visible light and glass lenses to magnify specimens up to 1000. Electron microscope uses beams of electrons instead of light to magnify objects up to millions of times, revealing details as small as individual atoms. Scanning probe microscope uses a physical probe to scan the surface of an object, generating highly detailed 3D images at the nanoscale. Microscope is an instrument that produces enlarged images of small objects, allowing the observer an exceedingly close view of minute structures at a scale convenient for examination and analysis. A microscope may provide a dynamic image as with conventional optical instruments, or one that is static as with conventional scanning electron microscope. The magnifying power of a microscope is an expression of the number of times the object being examined appears to be enlarged and is a dimensionless ratio. It is usually expressed in the form of an image magnified tenfold. The resolution of a microscope is a measure of the smallest detail of the object that can be observed. Resolution is expressed in linear units, usually micrometers. Let's discuss the structural parts of a microscope and their functions. There are three structural parts of the microscope. Those are head, arm, and base. First one is head. The head is a cylindrical metal tube that holds the eyepiece lens at one end and connects to the nosepiece at the other. It is also called a body tube or eyepiece tube. It connects the eyepiece lens to the objective lens. The light coming from the objectives will bend inside this tube. The binocular microscopes, the eyepieces, are adjustable so the viewer can set them for optimal viewing. The next part is arm. This is the part connecting the base to the head and the eyepiece tube to the base of the microscope. It supports the microscope's head and is also used when carrying it. Some high-quality microscopes have an articulated arm with more than one joint, allowing greater movement of the microscope head for better viewing. The third part of a microscope is the base. The base is the lowermost part of the microscope that supports the entire microscope structure. It provides stability for the microscope. Illuminators, light switches, and electrical wiring system are fitting in the base. The optical parts of the microscope are used to view, magnify, and produce an image from a specimen placed on a slide. These parts include eyepiece, eyepiece tube, diopter adjustment, nosepiece, objective lenses, the adjustment knobs, fine adjustment knobs, coarse adjustment knob, stage, stage control knobs, aperture, microscopic illuminator, condenser, diaphragm, condenser focus knob, apt condenser, the rack stop, light switch, brightness adjustment, etc. Microscopes are made up of lenses for magnification, each with its own magnification powers. Depending on the types of lenses, it will magnify the specimen according to its focal strength. They function because they are constructed with specialized components. So I hope my today's video will become helpful for your study. Stay tuned to my channel to get more and more this like science and maths tutorial videos for you. Bye bye.